Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. This is Booker Williams coming back to you with another video. I've always tried to help people out, and I know right now with the way the economy is going, a lot of people looking for a way to make some extra income. Well, guys, I came across a system that you can do on your phone, on your computer, on your laptop. It doesn't matter. As long as you got an internet connection, you're in business. As you can see, this is my capture page, and you can go to www.enjoymylife.info, put in your name and email address, and then they will send you the information. But what I wanted to do is talk to a lot of people that's the entrepreneurs, and they always asking, where do you get your leads? Well, guys, I have a place that gives me 10,000 leads a month for free. I just paused for a minute so y'all can let that sink in. So what these leads are people that's already looking for a home-based business. So what I simply do every day, I got my list of leads on my spreadsheet. I just come up here, put the person name in, put the first name, and then the email address. And then just click watch video. And what that does is it's going to start them out in the process of getting emails about the business. And it sends about 49 emails out, and either they're going to join or they're going to unsubscribe. And this is a way where the system is going to be working while you're sleeping, while you out with your significant other, or while you're on vacation. So I hope this video added some value to you. And if you want more information, you can give me a call at 817-918-4367, or you can shoot me a text and say, hey, look, send me the information and I'll pop it right to you. Hey, this is Booker Williams. I'm out.